Oftentimes when we talk about discrimination and abuse of LGBT people, we immediately think of outside of the community. Sadly, discrimination and abuse also comes from within the community and has become the norm. I am sure you have heard of masculine presented women butches, being with butches. This is seen as a big taboo, or two influent men being together is an absolute no-no. Sad, don't it? The transgender community is also being discriminated from within the community. This is sad because we are experiencing discrimination from the outside world and we should be united for a cause, but instead we are divided. As a person of trans experience, I have experienced discrimination from within the community and some level of emotional abuse. LGBT stands for lesbian, gay, bisexual, and transgender. We are all a part of the community. And whether or not you agree, let's all show love and support because we are all one family. I am Tony and I support love and respect for all.